ready for the speed round. Oh, the humanity. Is terminating with extreme prejudice. It's a good thing we're out of range, Juanita. We are out of range, aren't we? The Battle Dome is shaking with excitement. Get ready to watch Team Darkstar fight for survival as they make their way to the Tower of Power. Hold on to your youngest, folks. Ratchet's out for blood. Climb to the top of the terribly tubular Tower of Power! Ratchet has reached the top of the Tower of Power. He may be the first contestant to do so in the history of Dread Zone. We now have a new Avenger. After making his fortune selling cigarettes to children, Ratchet went on to pilot a tanker ship for Zexon.
A week later, Ratchet got drunk and crashed his tanker into the ocean world of Equados. Who can forget these graphic images of baby seals smothered in radioactive waste? Little Coco never had a chance.
How could you? What did little Coco ever do to you?
What? Al, how can you believe these ridiculous lies?
No. I was just, you know, I mean...
Come on, guys. We need to get out of here before we all wind up dead. What's the plan?
I have been chatting with a tech droid on the operations level. She may be able to provide the blueprints for these deadlocked collars.
That's great!
But we must be very careful. Fox has eyes everywhere.
Has anyone seen my retrofitted electronic pincher device?